Bonjour, mathematicians. Let's hit the ground running. Continuing on with dilations, but now on a coordinate plane. So same principles. We're going to enlarge or reduce a figure using a scale factor. And a scale factor is a value that we use to enlarge or reduce a pre-image, right, the original, to create the image by multiplying. So all we're doing is taking the scale factor and multiplying it by each value. So to enlarge, we know that if it's greater than 1, it's going to be bigger. So for example, that's 2x times 2y. Or to reduce, that is less than 1, which we know like 1/2, for example, is less than 1. So I'm going to take these coordinates. I have my image here just for example. I have I, J, K. I like to always have it be alphabetical. I feel like that's just math world in general. We like to be organized and clean with our numbers and our letters, obviously. So alphabetical order, I, J, K. So I is at coordinate 0, 4. That's the original. That's the pre-image. And I'm just going to multiply both of those by 2 because I'm first going to enlarge. So enlarge by 2. You see the 2x and the 2y. And I should get 0, 8, right? How do I get that? Well, 0 times 2 is 0 and 4 times 2 is 8. So moving on with that principle, J is at 4, -2, and my new coordinates, my image coordinates are 8, -4, which we get that by doing 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times -2 is -4. I feel like that makes sense. So go ahead and try K on your own, pull out the pre-image, and then get your image coordinates simply by multiplying your pre-image coordinates by dos. Cool. Moving on. Determine the scale factor. We take the image over the pre-image. That is the new over the original, which also looks like a prime over a, or x prime over x, or whatever the coordinate is, right? All right, so math lingo. Dilations preserve orientation, right? Because my triangle didn't turn or reflect or flip at all or rotate, but not congruence. Because they are not the same triangle, right? That pink triangle is double the size of the smaller triangle. So they do not preserve congruence. Dilations, the algebraic rule is just English is simply by multiplying. Multiplying by what? Oh, the scale factor. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's put this into practice. Let's see what this looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull out my ordered pair that has the coordinates. It looks like I'm finding B and B prime. So B is at 0, 2. And B prime is at 0. Oh, sorry. It's at 0, 3. And B prime is at 0, 9. So my image, which is my new 9 over pre-image 3. I can't do the zeros because it's 0. I have to do the numbers. 9 divided by 3 comes out to 3 over 1, but really it's just 3. So my dilation is going bigger, right? Enlarging. Because it's 3 and 3 is greater than 1. And my algebraic rule looks like 3 times x and 3 times y. Cool, makes sense? No, not yet? All right, cool. Let's try another one. And I'm willing to bet by then you'll be able to do this on your own, like with ease. So with this one, I have triangles A, B, C, and triangle A prime, B prime, and C prime. And I see that from big to small. Therefore, this is a reduce. It's getting smaller. It's shrinking. And I'm going to just choose A because that's the first letter, A and A prime. And A is at 12, 12. And A prime is at 4, 4. All right, so image over pre-image, I have image, nope, image 4. Don't make that mistake. Hey-oh. Because you will get a completely different number. Image 4, right? You know, maybe let's label them here too. My OG, my copied, my pre-image, my image. 4 over 12, reducing that is 1 over 3. And 1/3 is a heck of a lot smaller than 3. And we already said this is a reducing, not an enlarging. And 3 is larger than 1. 1/3 is smaller than 1. So there we go. Algebraic rule is 1/3 times x and 1/3 times y. How about you guys give this one a try? I know you can do it. Oakley dokley, that is what I got for the last question. Again, I just chose the first letter of the alphabet, J, JKLM, and it turned out that that was already the fully reduced form of all those numbers. Like, no matter which order pair you choose, it's going to come out to the same final answer. So I guess always just choose the most simple numbers, the easily divisible numbers, and I feel like 2 and 1 are those numbers. So that's it, guys. That's the entire lesson. If there was anything that you didn't understand or that you feel like you are having trouble with or you're confused on, please reach out. That's like our job. If you don't want to ask a human, you could always go to tutor.com as well, because that is free, available for all of you through your portal.